How's it going, guys? My name is Sean. Welcome to Venom Racing, and today we're going to be doing another rebuild series. But today it's not going to be a super fun sports car compared to like the Mustang or the S2000. It's going to be my new daily driver. It's going to be a cheap daily driver. So right behind me is a 2014 Honda Civic Si. And don't get me wrong, they're fun, sporty cars, I guess you could say. But it's got a K24 in it, so it'll be kind of fun to hit the VTEC a little bit, But for the most part, it's going to be my daily driver because I'm actually going to go back to grad school. And I have about a 3-hour commute once a week. And I wanted to sell the Mustang. That way I could use that towards school, obviously. But it's not as good as gas as a little Honda, not as reliable either. So that's kind of my thing. And I wanted to put the money towards school and get that all paid off. So, because I will have a little bit more torque with the SOS supercharged S2000 that we'll take a look at in a second. But behind me, let's talk about the Civic. It's a 2014. It's got 55,000 miles on it, 6-speed. I really like the sedans better than the coupes, but to be honest with you, I got a really good deal on this one. I got it through IAI. I won the bid at $3,500. So I really couldn't pass it up for 55,000 miles, runs and drives. I mean, I couldn't pass it up. So that's kind of the story of this one. Hopefully we'll get it done very quickly, but it's not going to be like I don't know, we're not going to do a whole bunch of modifications, basically a stock car, but I'll show y'all guys how y'all can take a cheap Honda Civic that is still a pretty relatively new car, 50,000 miles on it. Like I said, $3,500. After fees, I had around 41 in it after fees. So my goal is to finish it completely with only 5,000 in it, maybe 55 at most. So the blue book on it, $14,000. Obviously with the rebuilt title, you take off 25%. So, realistically, maybe it's worth around $9,000, maybe 9, 10 if I'm lucky. But 9 is realistic if I ever want to sell it. But here she is right here, guys. Let's take a look at her. Let's see what's wrong with her. So, as you can see, I stripped down the whole front end pieces. Okay, so obviously looking straight up, we're a little awkward looking. So what it looks like to me is it hit the bumper right there and shifted everything to the right. I think y'all will agree with me. The good thing about this car, how it has like a little bumper sandwich between the actual frame and the bumper bar itself. So this can easily be replaced along with the reinforcement bar, and this side is straight. Now we get to the other side. Well, obviously the AC condenser, that's going to need to be replaced along with one AC line. But besides that, the radiator looks in good shape. The motor actually started up right off the trailer. Now we come to this side where I was telling you how it shifted over. So yes, this side can be replaced, but looking straight down you can see it's shifted back a little bit. And if you look right here on this side, it's kind of wadded up a little bit. So now it's not really, it's not really the strut towers right here, so it's strut tower forward, so it's not necessarily going to be any alignment issues or any other issues we should. It's just basically going to be the alignment of the front bumper, fenders, and the whole 9 yards. So what the goal is, actually, we'll have to get right here, heat it up, and pull this section out to get it to be aligned with that side. Then we can easily just put the new sandwich plates on the bumper bar and their new front bumper, fenders, hood, and we're all done. Here's this SOS supercharged S2000. Yeah, right behind me. I mean, this is why this is going to be the fun track car. That's going to be the daily. Good combo, right? So maybe in the future, just depends on everything. Basically, this is just going to be a daily driver. It's not going to be, I have the S2000 for a fun sports car. This is going to be more just like a fun daily, reliable, cheap to maintain, and good on gas. Maybe potentially in the future if the S2000 breaks down, because it is forced induction now, forced induced. Maybe throw some RPF ones on it like everybody else does. Maybe do the Flash Pro. I don't know, just basic modifications just for a fun daily driver at most. But that's the plan for the build, guys. It's basically going to be a cheap daily driver. My goal is to stay under $5,500 repaired. So that's not including, like I was saying, the RPF ones. Obviously that's going to cost a little bit more. So I don't know if I'll do that or not. But we'll see if I find this cheap set around town. But that's what I'd like to do, just have a fun, cheap daily driver. And also there's another car I'm going to be bidding on very, very soon that, let's say, I'll give you all a hint. Civic. So it is a Civic. And what did I just add to the S2000? Okay, it's not a supercharged Civic, but forced induct. Oh, okay, that's enough. I'm not going to say anymore. But I'm going to bid on one of those pretty soon. And if we get that, this is just going to be flipped and sold after it's repaired. So, guys, stay tuned for this build. And stay tuned for the S2000 because it is now supercharged. And it's going to be tuned very, very soon. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this series. And if you guys like the SI community, drop comments below. What do y'all think about this? How do you think this is a pretty good deal? So I guess we'll see y'all in the next one. Hit the like button, subscribe for more, and we'll see y'all guys in the next one.